Oh, holy night, the stars are brightly shining. It's the night of the dear Savior's birth. Long lay the world in sin.
Good morning, good morning. I'm Elle, welcome back to my channel. I don't know what to tell you. I woke up and I was feeling Christmassy. Part of me feels like I could use the serotonin, and part of me is just feeling, you know, holly and jolly. So today I'm gonna begin to decorate my house for Christmas. My family growing up and what I've continued with my kids, we always cut down a Christmas tree, a real Christmas tree, in a sustainable way, and we decorate it. So obviously the tree won't be part of this today, but I just feel like bringing in the Christmas in and around here. So, you know, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna put some Christmas music on and we're gonna go through it. I love creating kind of like a Nordic, shocker, my whole aesthetic is Scandinavian. I love creating a Nordic kind of feeling Christmas. The vibe I really have been trying to attain for the last kind of years is this really cozy Scandinavian cabin hygge feel. That's what we're going for. As always, I'm gonna try and spend the least amount possible, and we'll see how we go. I've gathered all of my kind of what I call my always on decor. This is like when it's not seasonal decor, just general home decor. So I have it piled in the middle because usually what I do is once I empty the Christmas decor, I put my general decor in that bin because it's the next one to come out in the new year. And I've also taken down all the indoor fall decor. So now I'm just gonna go through the Christmas stuff and kind of take a look at what I have, what I wanna use this year, and where I might wanna put it.
I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you.
So some of this is Christmas tree decor. And so because it's not Christmas tree time yet, I'm gonna put all the Christmas tree decor in this smaller box so that when we get the Christmas tree, I can just bring up the smaller box. I also think it makes sense to organize it this way in the future, because generally we get our Christmas tree after I've decorated for Christmas because we get the live one. And so it also just makes more sense to keep the Christmas tree decor in a separate box from the rest of the decor, in the same way that I always keep my indoor decor in a separate area from my outdoor decor. It's kind of nice to be going through all of this because every year I get to ask myself, you know, is there a better way to store this in the future? I also might, speaking of, is there a better way to store this? I mean, maybe. You know, when the kids' dad and I parted ways, one of the things that we split up was Christmas decor so that the kids had familiar Christmas decor in both homes, which was really, really great. And we just kind of sat down and decided like what's really important to you, what's nostalgic to you, what do you want? And so last year, if I'm being honest, I really didn't have the spoons for Christmas. There was just too much going on emotionally. I wasn't in a great place with my mental health and I just wasn't feeling it. I wasn't really feeling the fall decor. I wasn't feeling the Christmas decor. I wasn't even really feeling Christmas. And so it actually feels really nice to be like in the Christmas spirit again. And now that I'm looking around in more of a Christmas spirit, I'm realizing that I could probably get a few pieces of decor to kind of round out the decor again. I don't want to get a lot because I am a minimalist and I am on a budget, but just a few key pieces. I'm really happy that I have stuck with a consistent theme. Like everything that I'm pulling out, I'm like, ooh, that does have a lot of hygge feel. This does feel really Nordic and cozy, and so I'm happy with what I have, and I'm also getting some ideas on what I would want to add in, which is really fun. So this is all the tree stuff. Was there a lid for this? I thought there was a lid for this. Okay, so then in this big bin is where I'm gonna start to put all of my general decor.
That this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this...
A couple days later, I wanted to show you guys kind of where we ended up with decor and show you some new stuff that I got to round out this year's Christmas decor. So in our front room, we've got two little pieces. I just draped some faux garland that we had across the piano with some of this LED lighting, which you can't see because it's daytime right now. And so it's just like a small little addition to the decor, but I think it does kind of Christmas it up. We have this handmade nativity scene that I absolutely love. I'm pretty sure she has a store on Etsy. I'm gonna try and link her below. It's all handmade, she's Canadian, and her nativity stuff sells out really quickly every year. She's so, so talented, and the kids love playing with it. Who knows where baby Jesus is right now, because the kids play with it a lot. When you come in through the front door, we have this Christmas countdown, which we will be starting this week because December starts soon. And so you move Santa along according to the days, and in each day there's a Bible reading for the day as well as a little treat for the kids, and they have fun moving that along. On this little wall, I just got this cutout from Dollar Tree. I think you're supposed to paint it or whatever, do whatever you want with it. I kind of liked the natural element to go with the vibe that we like in this house, so I just have it hung here. In the kitchen, this is new this year. I got these at Walmart and they were not expensive at all, and they're just like a cute little installation. I try and hide the outlet in my kitchen. It just bugs me when you can see all the messy cords, and so I like that it adds a little bit of like festive feel and kind of hides the cords as well. And then over on this side, I've got these gnomes, which a viewer sent me, was it last year or the year before? I don't remember, but I think they're so cute. Also in the kitchen, I've got my festive holiday tea towel. Then in the dining area, I have this wreath that I put flat, and it's got lights that light up, and I have the third gnome, the tall gnome, in the middle with the kids' vitamins. So normally when we're not eating, I try and keep it in the center of the table, and then when we're eating, I can just easily slide it back.
Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.
The living room is where I've done most of the holiday decor because that's where we spend the most amount of time. It's where the tree will go, and it's kind of when we're gathering, watching Christmas movies, or just kind of cozying up by the fireplace. This is where we hang out the most, so this is where I tend to focus most of the Christmas decor. So I have some Christmas pillows. I probably could afford to maybe get one or two more. I've got this nice tassel cream one. I've got these beautiful green feather-filled ones. This pillow I've had for years, and I like that it's just got the gold sequin detail, and then this beautiful shag pillow. This one and these are both from Article. And then this year I added this pillow with the green and the tassels, and this was just from Walmart. I think it was $19 Canadian. So we're kind of bringing in that Hygge cozy feel with having lots of pillows and blankets and kind of layering blankets. This is what we have for the coffee table. I've got this book, it's called Cottage Porn, and it's just beautiful photography of cozy cottages and then interviews with the people who live in them. I love this book. And then this is a book that I made of West Cottage, and it's all photography that I took the last time that I was at West Cottage. This is a beautiful, beautiful book. You've got some cozy candles. Again, lots of cozy blankets and kind of layering and playing with textures a lot. You've got this kind of festive pillow. It's definitely a minimalist kind of Nordic design, but it sort of hints at cranberries. I kept the same wooden feel that I did last year by the fireplace. I just love how that looks.
And then this I got at a craft fair a couple years ago, and it's nice because you can add essential oils to the wood and it helps scent the room. I've got the kids' stockings, and then up top, this is what we ended up with. I love how this came out. So these are LED candles that are on a timer. And I got this garland at Walmart this year. I think it was like $12. And I love that it's got the little kind of cranberry feel. I would love to get a faux cedar garland, but they're very expensive. So maybe for next year. And then this was my investment piece for this year. I got 3 of these stocking holders that look like little homes. I do wish it had a space in the back where you could add a tea light candle, because I think that that would really add to the cozy feel. And it looks like a tea light should fit inside, but there's no way to get it in there. So let me know if you guys have any ideas, but I love how the mantelpiece turned out this year. I just think it's really cozy, and it definitely has that cozy cabin winter feel, which is what we were going for in the space this year. Another thing that I got this year is this snow globe. My mom had lots of snow globes growing up for winter, and so I added this one this year, and it's got a light that lights up that's on a battery underneath, so at nighttime the houses glow, and I just think that is so, so cute. In the downstairs bathroom, I've got this holiday scene hand towel that I think I got at Target a couple years ago, and I love the design of that. And I just crocheted a little tassel thing, and I have it pinned so that it hangs nicely on my little guy here and the kids can reach it. And then when you're washing your hands, I've got another one of these little trees that I picked up at Walmart, and this I got at Dollar Tree as well, and I just thought it added a little bit more of a touch. Like without it, it looks, you know, a little Christmassy, but it feels kind of disjointed and not put together. And for some reason, when you add this tiny little thing, which was just $1, it really just kind of ties it in a little bit better and has it look more finished. In the kids' bathroom, I've kept it super simple. I just added this old school truck that also was at Walmart this year. This was a little bit more, it might have been like 22, something like that. I need to trim this little bit of wire. It's 2 bottle brushes that are flocked, and I need to kind of trim that wire a little bit. But I just thought that was really cute, and reminded me of like the old toy cars and stuff, so I thought that was cute for the kids' bathroom.
That is our holiday decor this year. I love how it turned out. I love that it's simple. It doesn't feel like it's too cluttered or overboard, but it definitely has a Christmas festive feel. So I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed this year's Decorate With Me. I'm really excited to do an undecorate with me. Every year after Christmas, I go ham, deep cleaning every square inch of my house and getting it ready so that it feels fresh and new for the New Year's. I know I'm getting way ahead of myself, but I'm planning on filming like a really long, maybe even, it's snowing, yeah. Maybe even like a 1 hour long, deep satisfying clean with me where you could clean alongside me, like 1 or 2 hours. Let me know if that's something you guys would want to see in the comments below. Obviously it wouldn't be posted until probably, you know, December 30th, something like that. But let me know if that's something you guys want to see later on. And I have lots of fun kind of Christmas themed videos planned for December, so hit the subscribe button if you're not subscribed already. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next Sunday. I promise. Okay, bye.